I know how to multitask because I used to play Diner Dash growing up, okay? I am doing something new today, guys. And of course, I'm bringing you guys along with me because it's a part of this journey, okay? I am going to my first Reformers Pilates class. So yeah, the class starts at 8. It's like 7:20. It's 7:23. And I just parked. I have to pay. But yes, I am excited, but I'm just so confused on why excitement has to feel like this. Like, and maybe I do have to use the bathroom, but also I don't think so. So like, why are you doing this to me? I know it's gonna go away once I'm in there. I'm just in my head trying to think, like, just trying to be too perfect in my head and calculating things before I even know what the heck is going on. I came across this woman named Evelyn's page, and I seen that she is a Pilates instructor, and she's Black and she's curvy also. And I'm like, I really want to take one of her classes. And it was Reformer, so I'm like, I really want to take one of her classes. It would be great if I can take it before the end of the year. And I seen that she was having a event, and I said, yeah, let me go ahead and see how much it costs first, and then see if I'm available, and then I'm gonna go. And so it was only $30. I was available, and so I booked it. I am making sure that I am not holding out on doing certain things and giving myself a just wait, because I didn't just waited my entire life, and I'm not doing that anymore. And so I'm like, let me go ahead and book this. And I'm also going to Pilates on Saturday as well. So today is Wednesday, October 22nd. Is it the first day of Scorpio season? I don't know, but we are in new moon energy, guys. And so this is a great thing to do that's new. And when I say brand new, so yeah, I'm about to get out the car and head that way now. And this is just very interesting because this is something that I wanted to do. You know, I'm working my way up to that Pilates Cadillac. And yeah, so Reformer is next, and I'm just excited, and I'm happy that I get to do it before the end of the year. So I love me some mat Pilates, and this is going to be a different experience. So I'm going to see how those things go here. The crazy part is, y'all didn't even tell me that Reformer was easier than mat Pilates. Anyway, I'm back for my Reformers experience, and I'm gonna try to show you guys my outfit. Like, I need to take my glasses off so I can see. It's really giving fall. It's really giving Pilates in the fall. I have on this brown on brown, and it don't go together, but I seen it, I said, I can wear this together with my brown headband and this fake blonde brown, honey blonde. So this is the Reformers Pilates outfit, and body really tea. This is the best my body has ever looked, and I'm not even done. Amazed at the hard work. Yes, I am here for the plan. I look like I do Pilates. I look like I do Pilates, don't I? Yeah, body is literally tea. It's 10:15. I actually need to go ahead and go to bed. I have to wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning so that I can be at work at 6. And I know I'm not even gonna put that on myself, but I need to go to bed. Anyway, I was very nervous, but it was like nervous, excited. My stomach hurt. Why do I feel like this type of energy? And as soon as I got into the environment, I was very calm. And it's very important for me to be calm, and very important for me to feel centered and grounded in my body. Once I got there, I was cool. It was really relaxing for me, which I don't know if it should be relaxing. I felt some intensities, but it was relaxing because they had the lights off, they had candles lit, and that's just my type of party. I really like a relaxing setting. I really love dim lights. I really enjoy this. I'm about to have some great sleep today. So I'm glad that I went. I'm glad that I invested in something new for myself. And I'm just very proud of me and very excited for me moving forward, because I've been doing so much exciting things in my life, and I'm not even surprised, but it's when I really think about it, it's like, wow, I remember when I wasn't doing anything, and I'm starting to do stuff, and I'm very excited for myself because it's been a long time in the house. Okay, and now I am open to being out and doing new things, and I'm actually pushing myself to do new things and actually doing them and not waiting years. And those times are over for me. So I'm just here for me and here for all of the things that is coming into my atmosphere. So it's Pilates Saturday morning, and on Sunday, me and my friend Marissa, we're having a charcuterie and wine day. So a very eventful life. Look at me, and I'm doing, and it's different when it's like, it don't feel busy when you're doing the things that you actually like. I feel fulfilled, and it really feels great right now. I'm really doing things that I wanted to do and not waiting. So I'm here for it. I'm going to keep on feeling these feelings, but I am about to prepare to go to sleep. But yes, my body, it looks great. Everything is everything. Everything is everything. So yes. Anyway, I'll catch y'all when I catch y'all, and see y'all when I see y'all. All right, y'all. Bye. Good morning. Welcome back. It's Saturday. I'm about to go to my mat Pilates class, so come on, let's go. Made it back home, finally. But I've done so much. It just turned 1:19, so I've been up and out. But I stopped to get my eyebrows done. They look really good. I told her, I said, please make them thinner. I need them to be thinner, but they're very nice. They're very sharp. And now I'm about to make some breakfast. So this is what I got from Trader Joe's. I need eggs. We got eggs. The oven is done preheating. These maple chicken sausages that I'm gonna put in there. And this is the prize of the meal. These brioche style pumpkin spice waffles. These are the best waffles ever, okay? And I drizzle them with agave. I know how to multitask because I used to play Diner Dash growing up, okay? Omelet is basically perfect in here. And then the most challenging part is trying to fold. I use the agave from Costco because I have a Costco membership and I love my membership. And this comes with 2 for $7. So I drizzle that on the waffle. And this is the full plate. And this is a hot sauce go on eggs household. So we have some hot sauce on there. We have our 3 chicken sausages, and then we have our pumpkin spice waffles. And it costs less than what it would have cost me if I would have went to a diner. So we about to eat, and then I'm gonna hop on the treadmill and do some steps after so that I can help with the digestion of the things. But as you can see, I have my Cheetah Girls robe on because it's time for me to relax. It has been a very, it's been a relaxing day already. It's like what, 2 o'clock? It's been relaxing already, and I'm just want to settle in my relaxation. I'm waiting for my water to chill so that I can drink some water. And then the only thing left that I have to do today is wash my hair. There we go. What a wonderful life. So I'll talk to y'all when I talk to y'all, and I'll see you when I see you. Whenever that's gonna be, okay? Okay.